Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer data from your old Android phone to the Redmi A5. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Play Store app on both devices. Now in the search bar, just search Share It. Now just install this app on both devices. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on both devices. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on Agree and Continue and tap on Allow. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just go back. From here, just tap on Allow. Now once you have done that, now since we want to transfer data from our Android smartphone to our Redmi A5, just tap on Send on your Android smartphone and tap on Receive on your Redmi A5. Now on your Android smartphone, just select the type of data which you want to transfer. You can select between files, apps, photos, videos, and musics. I will select photos. Now just select the data which you want to transfer. Now once you select the data which you want to transfer, just tap on Send. From here, just tap on while using the app. Now just tap on Open on your Redmi A5 and tap on Allow. Now just tap on Next. From here, just scan this QR code with your Android device. Just like that. Now just tap on Connect. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred the data from our Android smartphone to our Redmi A5. Now if you open the Gallery app on your Redmi A5, you can find the photos which we have transferred. Just like that. And this is how you can transfer data from your old Android smartphone to your Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.